So recently I've been wanting to use my 35mm film camera, which I was planning to take to Taiwan for my trip this month, but due to the pandemic still going on, I had to cancel that trip. I did put it off for a while due to the cost of the film, but I realized it's something I always enjoy doing in photography. I will share some pictures later on in this video. So this camera was first introduced in 1981 as the successor to the AE-1. The camera has a shutter speed priority. This mode will set both the shutter speed and aperture automatically, and all you have to do is compose your shot and press the shutter button. This camera is compatible with many Canon FD lenses which are available today. Hopefully this short video will inspire you to go back to film photography and maybe reignite your love for it. Thanks so much for watching, and subscribe for more film content. This is Rome, and I hope you enjoy the pictures.
I see you. Really take this feeling. I see you.